Hello everyone. We will learn how to download Linux Ubuntu and install on Oracle VM VirtualBox to study systems programming. After learning this module, you can understand virtual machine environment and how to install Linux operating system. Select the appropriate version for your system architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. Click on the current version of Ubuntu desktop. Once you have finished downloading the Ubuntu desktop ISO image file, you can begin installing Ubuntu Linux on VirtualBox. Start Oracle VirtualBox and click on New to create a new virtual machine. Enter a name for your virtual machine, for example, Ubuntu 22, and select the type to Linux. Select the version as Ubuntu or Ubuntu 64-bit according to your downloaded ISO image file. The default username is VBoxUser, and the default password is ChangeMe. You can change your username and password. I recommend that you create your own username and password. You will need to remember your password to log into your Linux Ubuntu system. Select the amount of RAM you want to allocate to your virtual machine. It is recommended that you allocate at least 2048 MB of RAM and 2 CPUs. The recommended base memory is 4096 MB, and the recommended processors are 4 CPUs. Click Next. The size can range from 20 to 40 GB, depending on the free space on your hard disk. It's recommended that you allocate at least 20 GB of virtual hard disk space. The recommended base disk size is 40 GB. Click Next. If you are satisfied with the configuration, click Finish to create the virtual machine. If you want to make changes, you can go back and modify the configuration. Start the installation process from the Ubuntu ISO image file. It will take a few minutes to install successfully. After the installation is complete, you can log in to your Ubuntu Linux virtual machine using your username account. Enter the username and password you created during installation and start the Ubuntu desktop Linux study. You can just click Skip button or set your system environment. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Ubuntu on Oracle VirtualBox. You'll find the terminal application included with your other installed applications. Press the right mouse button and choose Open in Terminal. The size of the window is usually not large, and the resolution of the guest OS interface is the same when you maximize or resize the window. Press the right mouse button and choose Open in Terminal. Type autorun.sh at the command prompt in the terminal, then press Enter. It will start installing additional modules. Wait for the installation to complete and press Enter. Click Resolution according to your requirement. It depends on the screen resolutions of your monitor. You can also select Auto Resize Guest Display for your flexible VirtualBox screen size. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Ubuntu on Oracle VirtualBox. If you want to simply shut down the Linux Ubuntu system, click on the top right corner, then select Power Off. Now, you can start Linux Ubuntu on Oracle VM VirtualBox at any time. To close Oracle VM Virtual Manager, select the File menu and choose Quit option. You completed learning this module. You can understand virtual machine environment and how to install Linux operating system.